Hi everyone. I don't want you to be worried about the Siem Reap River, Sokkhak River that you love in the city of Siem Reap. I want to show you the Siem Reap River is under innovation and renovation. And you can see the machine. I hope that few months later, Siem Reap River would be more beautiful, deeper, and the river flows. I believe in the feng shui. I believe in the flows of the waters, so that I trust in the government doing in the city of tourism, Siem Reap. And I love the Siem Reap River as well. Siem Reap River will not be the losing stream, so everybody don't worry. Anyway, we just watch a moment to save our memories for the Siem Reap River Innovation and Renovation. Don't miss it! Coming soon! We are always looking for the better future and the good things. We trust in the goodness. So here you are. The machine is doing the construction for innovation and renovation. The Sokkhak River, the Siem Reap River. Over six, you can see the old market Pasajak and the bridge as well over the Pasajak and the tree light, the Rambi Makara Street, the main street in Kingdom of Cambodia. Everybody here, the local one, always call for the bridge to recognize the street, the park of the street, because it's the long street, very long, and then they count by British charter, the distance between the British charter. And here you can see the footbridge over the Pasajak and the Siem Reap Art Center. We are coming next for the second one, doing very near, very close to the bridge. I like watching the machine is doing this. I always think a better future, the better life, so it's very nice to see. Cambodia is very challenging and changing a lot every day. So you are lucky, Khmer people, because you have very good future. In some new years, your country has changed a lot. And I love to watching the police as well. Every day in the morning, they come to clean the falling leaf like this. Very good, very nice.